Hi, thanks so much for watching. Today I'm sharing with you my morning cleaning routine, and my routine does not begin until my kids are settled with their schooling. They're currently doing remote learning, so once I've confirmed those Zoom meetings are off and running and the kids have everything they need, then I can just kind of relax and take a moment to myself to enjoy my morning coffee. And my day does not begin until I've had my coffee. But I like to start my cleaning off in my bedroom, and I just do superficial cleaning in the mornings. I don't do any dusting or vacuuming. I like to save that till later in the day if it's needed. So I'm just clearing off our nightstands and putting any dirty clothes into the hamper. But my room could be a complete disaster, and there's just something about simply making the bed. So if the bed's made and the rest of the room is a mess, somehow the room looks more tidy. So I try to make a point every morning to make my bed, even if it's simply straightening the blankets. It just really helps me to feel more productive and gets my day off on the right foot. Next, moving on to my bathroom, and again, just doing superficial cleaning here. I'm not going real in depth with the cleaning, but one thing that I feel really helps cut down on the amount of cleaning I have to do when it comes time to do my deep cleaning routine is to wipe my countertops every morning, or at least after I've finished getting ready for the day. I make a point to wipe away any makeup residue, any hairspray residue, and that alone will make the bathroom feel clean. So I put away all the clutter and wipe the countertops and sinks. But I'm looking at this and I did not realize how dirty my makeup bag is. So I guess that's something I need to add to my to-do list to clean my makeup bag. But another thing that I like to do, something that I find help to minimize the amount of laundry I have to do is to reuse my towel several times before washing it. I don't know, maybe some of you already do this, but it's something I've done for years. And so instead of throwing it in the dirty clothes every time I've used it just once, this way I use it at least several times before washing it, and it really helps to eliminate the amount of laundry I have. So I have everyone in my family practice this method. So they have an assigned towel and they know they're to use it at least several times before they throw it into the dirty clothes. moving on to my downstairs area, and I usually will start in my kitchen, but today I started in my family room, and this is the room that we love to lounge in and watch TV and just spend time as a family. And what you're seeing here is the mess from the night before, which I admit is not terrible. I am definitely a clean freak, and I have a rule in my house that if you bring any dish, any drink, any toy, whatever it may be, if you bring it with you in the family room, then you have to take it with you when you leave. And I would say that rule really helps to keep this space tidy. And we just love hanging out on the couch, and our dogs are family and they love to hang out with us. So those throws that you saw me put away, those I put out on the couch to protect it from the dogs, and I'll wash those at least once a week, sometimes more, but they absolutely love to hang out with us, and we love having them hang out with us too. And my little Sadie, I have to say, is such a spitfire. She loves toys. She's obsessed with toys. So she is always hiding them in the couch. I'll go to sit on the couch and hear a big squeak, and it's one of her toys. I find it so comical, and she definitely keeps us on our toes. Now I'm moving on to my kitchen, and for my kitchen routine, I just clean up any dinner mess left over from the night before, which I'm normally good about taking care of that, but sometimes it doesn't happen. And so I will take care of that dinner mess or breakfast mess, clear off the countertops, and empty the dishwasher and refill the dishwasher. This is the same routine just about every morning.
I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe.
Please excuse my mess of a utility drawer. It is such a disaster, and I've been meaning to organize this drawer for so long, and I keep putting it off, but I'm thinking I'd like to do an organization video where I organize messy areas of my house that desperately need it. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. I would love to do that. It would definitely get me moving to finally organize those spaces. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. Leave a comment down below.
Breathe. Get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words. No. Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes.
Finally, I'm going to start a load of laundry. This is something I attempt to do every morning, and we're a family of 5, so we definitely have a lot of dirty clothes, and this just really helps me stay on top of my laundry, and I'm less likely to forget to switch the clothes out if I start my laundry putting that load in the morning. That way, when I pass by the laundry room throughout the day, it's a good reminder to swap out those clothes. Lastly, I'm going to vacuum my kitchen floors, and I cannot stand walking on hardwood floors that have crumbs on them. It drives me insane. So I definitely make a point in the mornings to vacuum up any crumb mess that was created from breakfast or dinner the night before. But that is it for my morning cleaning routine. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. I will see you all in my next video. Take care.